Welcome to the channel again. Today I thought after I think everyone know that Afterpay got of takeover from one of the US companies. So I thought we'll have a quick look at SIP because that's the other company in buy now pay later, like one of the, let's say, Afterpay. SIP was another one of the popular stocks. So you can see this is the weekly chart in SIP. I was expecting like a big jump in SIP as well. It hasn't happened. Like, it has jumped. If you see, like, previous week the close was here, and so yeah, it has jumped 14%. But anyway, I'll zoom out and see. This is like the big picture with the SIP. So it had didn't move sort of much for long, then started to make a move in 2019, went up, peaked, then came down more or less to the same level it was before. If we measure the ups and downs, let's say roughly from here to here, it's 460%. Then the drop was from roughly here to here, 82%. So then that move happened. Then after this low, there was another big move from here to 2020 August to, this is the highest 925%. That's a good move. Then came back down again. Then let's measure this move from this low roughly here to here, another 200%. So this stock has moved big moves within short time. So if we measure the, I'll use this tool for this 900 move. So 913. So 22 bars this weekly. So it's 22 weeks. So it's pretty good gain within short time. Then you can see here this move, it's very quick. Within few weeks it has jumped. So this stock has the tendency to move very quick. I'll delete this one, otherwise it's a bit hard for us to see what we are talking. So this stock has a tendency to move very quick. I'll delete this one also to show something. So important thing is we identify where the resistance and mainly the support areas. So when I look at the weekly chart, I can see clearly there is a support area here. See, it supported here, came back and supported here. So this is one support area, $4.94. Let's say 470, 490. That area is a support area. Then it went up, came down. This area is another, this box I put support. You can see this is now acting as a support area. Yeah, so this is another area, this stocks being supported. So two levels, you can clearly see this level, $4.97, 68 to 97 sort of. Then this box 637 to, I'll make it a bit bigger, and 680 sort of. That's the two, like a band it is supported, and we can clearly see this area is a resistance. So if I change to the daily, you can see clearly went up, is $10, rejected, came down all the way crashing, came to this support area, it was supported here, $6.39. Try to go up. I think you can see now, hopefully you can see it's crashing down, supported here, try to go up, came down, again supported in this box, try to go up, hit this resistance area, came down, sort of try to had a go at here, like gapped up here, go, then again met with this resistance, came down again, supported from this box, up, again supported from this box. So this stock has, like, this is a resistance area, it was like rejected twice now, and supported 1, 2, 3, 4 times now. So this is the area we have to keep an eye now. And see, this is another resistance I just mark. When it passes this resistance area, this will be another area it will meet some resistance. So if you look at the volume, let's have a look at volume in weekly chart. You can see volume has picked up. I believe this is back of that Afterpay takeout bid. So volume has increased last week, but what you have to be looking this week, sorry, next week, is if the volume keep going up, or is it a one-off thing. If you look past few weeks, see there's a big dump from this resistance about 12th July that week. Then week after it tried to go up, didn't go anywhere. Then another big dump happened. Not last week, week before. This one, this up, what do you call, green candle is because of that Afterpay. Then the whole sector sort of became hot again. So how I would like to play this stock now is, I would wait until it clears this resistance, because it tried a few times, didn't go up. So since we are in the sort of middle of this resistance support area, I personally don't want to get into this stock right now, because it may come down or it may go up, who knows. I would wait 1, 2, or 3 weeks just to see the direction. Let's say if it keeps going up next week or week after, then you have to be patient and wait to see if it goes past this resistance. Yeah, then I will enter. Or if it goes, so two scenarios, since it is in the middle, two scenarios can play out next few weeks. One scenario is it keep pushing up and go above this resistance box. In that case, after it goes up here, I would make entry and put my stop loss here, $8.50. Other scenario is it may go up, hit this resistance, come crashing down. This stock crash very quickly. That's how I see. So then if it comes to this support level, keep an eye. That may be a good entry again. Or other scenario is this is just a big push after that Afterpay news. It may come crashing down again. So those are the three scenarios I can see. So at this stage, I will not enter personally, because it is in the halfway between this support and resistance. I would like to see some direction next week, week after, to see which scenario plays out. Is it this scenario, this scenario, this scenario? Then I would consider with the volume whether it is a good buy or not. At this stage, it's wait and see sort of approach from me. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any other stocks you like to see, please make them in the comments. I'll try to have a look at them. Thanks.